Hello friends, hope you are well and in a cheerful spirit. I am Rishikant Kulpati, a wholesaler of cosmetics, and here Series welcomes you on my YouTube channel. So friends, the purpose of making today's video is that many questions have been raised by the people, and I think that this is the best platform to be answered. As you all know that I keep posting videos on the social platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and all that, or on my Facebook page. So I found that there are some questions which are common on all these platforms. So I think that just to jot it down somewhere and will give the reply to all of these. So friends, first question is that why I don't disclose the price on my videos. So the purpose of not disclosing the prices of the product on the videos is that because there are many resellers, shopkeepers, distributors are connected with me. So if I would give you the prices, then how will they be able to sell on their different platforms, whether from shop or online? So there are some people who told me that not to disclose the price on YouTube video. So I have full consent with these people, and that's the only purpose of not disclosing the price of YouTube video. However, you can call me on my mobile number 99581 52265 and can take the prices. But disclosing the prices on YouTube or any kind of social media platform is bit difficult for me because so many people are associated with me or with someone and are selling the same or different products or prices products. So that's why not it's not feasible for me to disclosing the prices of the product. However, if you will contact with me, I will give you the best price. So, friends, now second question is that is COD available? Cash on delivery is available. So, friends, currently it is unavailable, but yes, I in future it might be available. I am in contact with some companies who are saying that yes, there will be some charges for COD. So you can tell your customers or people that this much would be a charge around 50 or 60 rupees. There would be an extra charge, but currently there is no COD from my side, and if there would be any kind of COD service available, then I will definitely post or update you with that. Now, friends, the third question is that are the single pieces available? The single piece, yes, there are some products which I can avail a single piece like eyeshadows. I have actually write it down here. So I just disclose you the products which I can give you on a which I can give as a single piece, like eyeshadows, clutches at least 12 pieces. It's there are there is a packing of dozen in one box. So you have to order at least one box, and there will be a 12 pieces in that one box. Makeup kit, yes, I can avail a single piece. Foundation, loose powder, compact powder. There are some products which I can deliver single piece. And the product which I can't deliver single piece is that lipstick. Lipstick I can't deliver single. There would be a packaging of 12 pieces in a box. That is the minimum least denomination or a quantity which you can order. So lipstick is the thing which I can't deliver as a single piece. And friends, the third question is that minimum order quantity. That is there any minimum order quantity? So friends, there is no minimum order quantity. You can just call me and tell me that this much is the amount, or this much is the quantity, or this much is the thing that you want. Then I can deliver it to you. Shipping charges has to be borne by you. So the fourth question is that the shipping charges. Yes, there are shipping charges associated with the product that is to be borne by the consumer, which is you. So shipping charges, I will. It depends upon the weight. So you can connect me with me and tell me the quantity, whichever whatever you would like to have. Then I will ask from the courier boy. He will tell me the prices, and as it depends upon the weight. So it normally around be 60 or 70 this much would be around. It's my rough idea. So friends, these are the questions that has been put for me to be answered. So I thought that this is the best platform to be answered, as many people are watching the videos and they can easily replay it and can get the answers of all the questions that they post on the Facebook or on any social media platform like Instagram or on YouTube. So friends, that's it from my side for today. So if there would be any more questions from your side, then definitely I will give the replies through this media or a platform. Thank you friends, thanks a lot, keep asking questions. I am here to reply as many questions, as many answers to you. Thank you friends.